This is how to create a document within Custom Quota. So when you log into Custom Quota, on the dashboard you want to navigate to the Settings tab on the left hand side and click on the Documents tab. On here you want to click Add Category to categorize any documents you have. For example, here I'm going to add a risk assessment category and select any icon that I want to add any description I want. Then click Add and the category will have shown up onto the system. So here I'm just putting in the description. I'm going to click Add. Once you've done this, you'll see the documents on the left hand side tab, and when you want to add a document in this category, simply click the Add button on the top right hand side of the page, and here you can see the relevant categories here on the left, and you can change this to another category if you wish on the category drop down box. So here I've got risk assessments. So here I'm going to add the title. So for this example, I'm going to use a non-disclosure agreement title. Here I'm going to add a description, so any description of the document you want you can add, which can simply be a summary of the said document. So for example here, a description of what a non-disclosure agreement is. So here I'm just going to copy and paste what into the description. Here you can assign any colleagues to the document that you want. So for this example, I'm going to use this colleague. And you can further save whether it's a draft or a full document. And then again, a further description or summary can go down here. So I'm just going to copy and paste this here. Then click Add, and as you can see, it's been added here. So if you want to manage the document, click onto the document and click the Manage button on the right hand side here. And here you can add any content. Here you can add any content to the document. So click Add Content. The type, so whether it's text, a cover page, or table of context. So here I click cover page, I can make it a new page. So I'm just going to change this to text and put in the title. And as you can see, the title of the document has been added here. So to further add content to this, click the cogwheel settings button on the right hand side and click Add Content. Once this page is loaded up, you can add anything relating to the context of the non-disclosure agreement. So here I'm just going to copy and paste this into the context page. As you can see also here, the brackets are variables which you can change, which will automatically change anything relating to the client or the job details. So if I put in business phone, the business phone number will automatically come up. So you don't need to worry about manually putting in any details. As soon as I add it to the document, any details relating to the document will just automatically update there. So after this, just click Add, and the context within the non-disclosure agreement has been added. If you want to further add any content, you want to click on the settings cogwheel again and click Add Context. So here again, I'm going to quickly copy and paste the context into here and click Add. So as you can see, it's further been added here at the bottom. And if you want to add another page with a different heading, you want to click Add Content again. So just click add content again. I put in the title and the type and press add. And as you can see there at the bottom, it has been added. Again, I can further add context and put in any details necessary. So I'm just going to put in these details here. And also you can see that there is a gap here, which is considered a new page. So again, coming onto the document, you can see the 2 pages have been separated and that there is a gap there. These will be considered 2 different pages. So if you want to actually merge these 2 documents together, click on the page that you want to merge, click this setting button and click merge page. Once you do this, as you can see, the 2 documents will be on the same page and merged together, so that gap is not there anymore. So I'm going to click preview again, and as you can see, the documents are no longer on separate pages, they are on one page. If you want to again edit this and separate them on a new page, click make a new page here. And as you can see here, the pages have been separated once again. If you also want to add a cover page or a table of contents, go back up to the add content, click the relevant type box from the box. So here, add the title again, and you can see, I'm just going to put in the title. Here it has been added. Here you can also use the title and description to quickly change the title, and it will create a new cover page title for you based on the information that you have set up within the system. So use title and description. And as you can see, based on the information that you have put within the system, the title has changed. So once you preview the document, you can see the cover page has been added. And if you want to further add a table of contents, again, click add content. On the drop down box, add table of contents, click add and whatever title that you want. Here you can see it has generated a table of contents based on the content you have provided. The numbering has also been generated based on the context you have added. If we click preview again, you can see the table of contents has been added there on the second page. It's been separated into a separate page. So once you're happy with the document and you want to use this document, go to the job that you want to add the document to within jobs. So I'm going to click on this job here. Go down to the documents tab. Click add document and scroll down to the document you want to add, and here you can see, so I'm just going to add the document that we've just created. So here on the right hand side drop down box, that particular document that we've just created has been added. I'm just going to click on it here, and as you can see, it comes up within the jobs tab. So here also you can see that the variables have been automatically added. So those brackets that we were talking about before, the business address, number, whatever presets are within the brackets, they will change automatically based on the job details. So here, you don't need to manually put in any, address information or company details or phone numbers. So that is how you create a document within Custom Quota.